Dobby just wanted to say hi. Say hi, Dobby. He's so cute. My handsome man. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Haley of Discourse of a Divine Diva, and today I have not one but two Weeboxes for you because my January one has arrived. Like I said in my last Weebox video, my January box didn't show up and customer service was really awesome and sent me a replacement box. And I just want to remind you, I am not sponsored in any way by Weebox. I'm not affiliated with them. I pay for my subscription, so they're not treating me differently than they would treat you. I'm really excited that customer service got back to me and you know, listened to me and didn't write me off and sent me a replacement box because there's some really cute stuff in there. So I'm excited to show you. We're gonna get into that right now. The theme for January's Weebox is Welcome to Scotland. So they have ways to welcome Scotland into your heart, to welcome Scottish comfort and joy into your home, to welcome a new year. So imagine glorious Glencoe, cozy Bothys, and the warmth of the clan all around you. There's something to wear, to eat, and evoke Scotland in your own home. So that's what we're getting into. All right, first up is this necklace by Scottish jewelry maker Gracie J. I went to her website and looked at her stuff and it's really quite lovely. This one has a tiny little silver Glencoe with the mountains. I'm going to show you up close. And then there's a leather cord. Now this would totally be a choker on me because, you know, I'm a larger lady. So I think I'm going to put the little charm on a longer chain, or I don't know, I could make a bracelet with it or something. We'll see. But anyway, it's really pretty and I'm happy to see it up close. And I love Glencoe. It's one of my favorite places in Scotland that I have been thus far. I really love it. All right, next up we have a book called Burns for Every Day of the Year. This is by Pauline Mackay. This is actually the first part, so this is January through March. And essentially there's a poem, prose, and song for every day. There's little tidbits about Robert Burns. Burns Day is January 25th. So there's usually, you know, a reading of his poetry and a haggis supper and all of that fun stuff. And actually this cover is so gorgeous. I love the colors on the cover. It's just beautiful. And I always say how much I love the Weebox books, but it's really well made and really nice. So I'm excited to learn more about Robert Burns. I feel like I have a hair, like a dog hair is on my face. I'm excited to learn more about Robert Burns and read more about him. So I'm very excited. Next we have sugar mice. I honestly thought these were candles because they do have little cotton like wick looking tails. I'll take them out in a bit. But there is a childhood favorite Robert Burns poem, I suppose, that says, "We sleek-it, cowering, timorous beastie, oh what a panic's in thy breastie." There's a white mouse and there's two pink mice and there's their little tail. And they're just made of sugar. And apparently they're iron brew flavor. They just smell like a sugary thing. I don't know if I'm going to eat it because they're really cute and I want to just like set them down, but maybe I'll take a bite and see if they're actually iron brew flavored, or they have like a squishier center, it feels like, or at least it's indented or something. So we'll check it out at the end. I don't want to mess up my lipstick hat. Next we have this cute little candle holder. You can put a little tea light in there. But it's a little Highland Bothy with little grass around the edges. It's like a pottery piece, the ceramic piece. It's got the little chimney there, and the roof and the grass are shiny, but the rest is very textured, which I like. It, you know, it looks like brick. It has that look about it. It's just really super cute. And I'm excited to set it on my desk there. And our last item in the January Weebox is this little sign. It says, "Welcome to our herd," and it has a little family of Highland coos Look how cute they are, those little babies. They're so fuzzy. It's adorable. I love hanging these up around the house. So this one is going to also have a special place. All right, I'm back with a wee mouse. I guess I'm gonna take a bite of his nose. Okay, it is a little fruity. I can see where the iron brew comes in. If you don't know what iron brew is, it's like a carbonated beverage there. And it has kind of a, I don't know, it wasn't like sweet and odd as I thought it was going to be. It was, I don't really know how to describe it because it's been a while since I had one. But it was good. It was fine. Anyway, it's they're very sweet. It's just sugar. I think they're cuter to look at than they are to eat. But it's a fun little part of the box. All right, that's our January box. And now we're moving into the March box. The theme for March's Weebox is Indulgent Highland Kitchen. So it has things for us to make some tasty Scottish food and to enjoy that Scottish food. So let's get right into it. First up is the Scottish Brunch Bible. And I have a few of these little like Scottish food Bibles. They're always so fun to get. And this one, I mean, the food alone on the cover looks delightful. And I'm a sucker for brunch. But there's all kinds of recipes in here. Smoky bacon and black pudding with hot hummus. Wow. Actually, I really like black pudding. I didn't think I was going to, but I tried it and it's delicious. Garlic mayo, smoky quinoa and sweet corn porridge. Ooh, fried eggs and chanterelles on polenta wedges. That sounds really good. Cheesy French toast with garlicky rosemary mushrooms. That sounds delightful and quite unique. I'm into it. I am going to make my husband make me brunch. My birthday's in like a little over a month. Maybe I can get him to make me breakfast or brunch for my birthday. That'd be so cool. Then I don't have to do all the work. Anyway, these sound really good. Ooh, a Cranachan Smoothie. That's like raspberries and oats. I made a Cranachan not that long ago. Honey, yogurt. That sounds good. Okay, so again, the books are really well made and you can never go wrong with brunch. Next we have this cute little mug that says, "Dinnae fash yourself and have grew." So Dinnae fash, if you watch Outlander, then you've heard that term. Anyway, it means don't worry, don't fuss, don't worry yourself. And it has this stag on it. It's from Couthie Gifts, which they do have a website and they have lots of stuff there. So if you want to go shopping, you are welcome to. Anyway, it's a cute little mug. And if I don't drink from it, I'm going to use it as a cute little pencil holder or something. I mean, I always find a use for mugs. So there you go. Next, we have a Spurtle. A Spurtle dates back to the 15th century. And it's used to kind of stir soups and porridge and, you know, whatever else, some kind of foodstuffs. I have another one from a Weebox. So I was like a previous Weebox years ago. And so I was thinking about painting this one in something decorative, like with thistle or something. But anyway, this could be a wand and I could put rhinestones all over it. And then I'll have me a nice little Spurtle wand to just sit on my shelf and, and look at. But it's very nice. It's a great Spurtle. And I'm sure it's good at doing what it does. Like I said, I already have another one and it's in the kitchen. I don't think that I've made porridge or anything. I'm more of like a grits girl because I'm from the South, and this would be just as useful for stirring grits. So that's probably what I'll be using it for, the one I have. But this one, I think I'm going to rhinestone it. It needs glitter. For Scotland! This is a Saltire Tea Towel that is also part of the March box. The Saltire is what the Scottish flag is called. And it's actually the oldest flag in the Commonwealth and in Europe, I believe. So there we go. It's very beautiful. And these towels are really, really nice. You know what? I might have to hang this up in the garage. I like thinking of other uses for stuff. And this one's just too pretty. Like, it needs to hang up and you need to be able to see it and just think of Scotland. Okay, I don't know how to say this name, but I'm just gonna say Mackay because that's what it looks like accessory with an M, sort of. So I'm gonna say Mackay, but I'm not quite sure, and I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Anyway, what we get from Mackay is this awesome tweed, Harris tweed Scottie dog. It's also in the colors that I thought were so pretty. It's like a bluish purple and burgundy, and there's like a light sort of lilac pink on the outside. It's quite beautiful. Let me show you there. And I love Harris tweed. I friggin' love Harris tweed. I love all the color combinations. I love the texture of it. I think Harris tweed just like classes up anything. And I love when they send little Harris tweed goodies. I have a Harris tweed flask that I absolutely love. You've seen it in another video, but it's super useful. I took it with me on a road trip, and it makes the flask super classy. And that's what we want. We want to be classy and sassy and Harris tweedy. And anyway, I love when they include Harris tweed stuff. All right, friends, that is 2 Weeboxes done, January and March. So I will see you in April for April's Weebox, and they just announced that the May Weebox is going to be Outlander themed. So you know I'm excited, and I'm gonna dress up. I'm gonna dress on Outlander theme for that unboxing. So look out for that probably at the beginning of June. So, so we have some time. And I'll see you next month for April. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember to stay sparkly, you guys. Bye.